Find features that distinguish it from other brands about FEARWIKY F-P2 mini-sized version, mini projector. And why you should buy choose, because main features are include 180 degrees rotatable projector. The base of the projector comes with a 180 degrees swivel bracket that points the projector in a variety of directions, including from the wall to the ceiling. You can get a clear picture from any angle from 40 to 130 inch. HD quality projection. FEARWIKY mini projector supports 1080p, 4K resolution with clear and delicate picture. Adopting advanced color technology, it supports HDR10, HLG and more. The colors are vivid and lifelike, restoring the real visual effect. The best projection distance is 5.51 feet and projection size is 60 inch. Smart projector with built-in apps. The projector has a built-in TV store, making it easy to download your favorite apps, including Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. Smooth video playback for the ultimate viewing experience. Convenient Wi-Fi 6 connection. The movie projector supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Miracast, AirPlay, DLNA and other wireless screencasting protocols to easily connect to cell phones, tablets, computers and other devices. It is also equipped with HDMI, USB, Type-C, audio output and other interfaces, which is highly compatible and meets the connection needs of different devices. 0.9:1 high projection ratio. Project a cinematic experience from compact spaces. Our projector 4K is equipped with 0.9:1 high projection ratio, which can project a bigger picture in a shorter distance, more suitable for small spaces, such as bedrooms, small living rooms and so on. Auto Keystone and 50% zoom function. The projector can automatically eliminate the trapezoidal distortion caused by the incorrect angle of the projector. And the 100% to 50% zoom function allows you to flexibly adjust the size of the picture. You can also manually rotate the lens ring or use the remote control to adjust the lens focus to make the picture clearer and quickly adjust the picture to the best condition. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.